Welcome to Sanej Academy's channel. In this video, we are going to see how to use ready-made text classification models from Hugging Face API. To begin with, open the Hugging Face website. Not just that, first check whether you are logged in for this particular website. Benefits of being logged in are that you can use and create many access tokens with your login. So now going to the models section, over here you will find that there are different tasks which are visible. Among them, if you want to see the text classification, so go to text classification. Considering the text classification, you see different models, some of them foundation models and many of them fine-tuned for specific task. Among all these models, I have chosen to experiment with this model called DistilBERT. Let's first of all see the inference provider of this. Hence, I have typed one particular sentiment of a particular book. Let's first of all, by clicking the compute button, let us see what inference it makes. It might take some time. It took few seconds of time and it got me the sentiment as positive. The inference UI which you see with this particular language model isn't there with every language model over here. As you see with this particular model, that this model, the model size of this model is 67 million parameters and it has been fine-tuned. It's a fine-tuned version of the original BERT. If you want to use this in your notebook or in your any of the code, then here is the way how you can do it. So search first of all for the button called use this model. In this you might get different options. Now the other two options directly open in the either in Colab or in Kaggle. We are not going to access that for this particular example. So let me click on transformers. This transformers has again two options. One option is when you want to directly use it as a pipeline. Another one is if you want access for tokenizer or not. Now in our example, as we are planning that we want to directly use it, hence I will click on this copy button so that this particular code snippet can get copied in my notebook. Hence, I have copied this code and I am doing this time in my local notebook. Some models require access tokens also. In that case, you require to go to your particular this login and then go to settings and then create access tokens. So by entering your password, there is a way you can create access token. So with these two statements executed, now let's experiment with one of the statements here or some few statements here. So let's consider some few sentences here. So, and after considering these sentences, I am passing the sentences to directly the classifier, that is to directly the pipeline. So let's wait for the output. Yeah, here is the output. So the first one has been tagged as positive. Yes, it is positive. Second one has been tagged as negative, then again positive and again negative. The scores over here which you see are nothing but probability of that particular sentiment being positive or negative. So this happens to be a model which tags a particular statement as positive or negative. Let's see another model. Say I have one more model where I have the name of that model is Roberta. Actually it is again a fine-tuned model of BERT. And now with this particular model, the program has been created in such a way that you get three possible labels. This particular model will be giving you whether the statements is neutral, entailment, or a contradiction. Hence you see there are several such models under the tag of text classification. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please click the like button, and for more updates from me, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.